Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Unless a channel you want to access has been permanently banned, you can bypass Telegram's sensitive content restriction using the following methods. Keep in mind that none of the methods can guarantee access to sensitive content if your region uses strict measures to restrict such content. Method 1. Enable sensitive content or disable filtering. The first thing you can check to access sensitive content inside Telegram is whether you can manually disable content filtering on your Telegram account. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Then, tap or click on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Then, select Settings. On the Settings screen, select Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, locate the Sensitive Content section and check the Disable Filtering box. You can now go back to Telegram's home screen and see whether the channel or content you wanted to access is now available. If you're unable to locate the Disable Filtering option, it's likely because Telegram has disabled this option because of your region-specific restrictions. If that's the case, you can proceed to the subsequent method provided here. Method 2. Try using different devices. Method 3. Install a non-store version of Telegram app. Some copyrighted content that may be categorized as sensitive on the official App Store or Play Store versions of Telegram becomes accessible when you sideload the non-store version of the Telegram app on your device. Method 4. Use Telegram on the web. If you cannot access any type of sensitive content using the Telegram app, you can try using Telegram's web apps to see if this content is viewable. In our testing, we found out that the channels that are marked as cannot be displayed on the iOS version of Telegram show up normally when you access Telegram's web app on the same device. This is because Telegram's web app has no restriction and provides access to all kinds of content, even on restricted platforms like iOS and macOS. Method 5. Sign up on Telegram using a phone number from another country. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.